Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by stating a clear goal. Say what you want, why, and the format. Once done, pick the model and dial temperature for creativity, lower for precision, higher for exploration. Make sure to set max tokens and paste any required context or data. Then add 1 to 3 examples, input and desired output, so the model learns style and constraints. Finally, list non-negotiables like forbidden topics or sensitive data handling to prevent undesired results. Now iterate, decompose the task into discrete steps, and ask the model to show its chain of thought or intermediate results. Once you see patterns, refine prompts by adding specificity, stricter constraints, or revised few-shot examples to steer behavior. Make changes to system messages to set persistent persona or rules. Run several test cases and compare outputs side by side, noting which parameter tweaks improved accuracy or readability. Keep a short change log of prompt versions so you can reproduce successes. Finish by turning your prompt into a reusable template, parameterizing inputs like names, dates, and lengths for automation. Once deployed, monitor results and implement lightweight post-processing or validation to catch hallucinations or format errors. If you encounter poor answers, first reduce temperature and add or replace clearer examples, then narrow the context window or tighten constraints. As a last resort, switch models or split the task into simpler subrequests. This approach keeps outputs reliable and easier to troubleshoot quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.